Jamaica is our home, and our island is full of places to explore. Join us as we share those adventures with you.
That includes the food, the places, and the people we meet. In general, our rich culture. This is
YaadMentz.
Season 2. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of what?
YaadMentz Season 2.
YaadMentz Season 2. So, hey, we want to thank you so much for liking, subscribing, for watching our videos, for sharing it if you have.
Yes. Big up yourself.
Season 2 has been awesome so far. We hope you have enjoyed the videos.
Yeah, we hope you have enjoyed them so far.
Yes.
And I hope you're looking forward to other things in Season 2. We have a lot of surprises to go.
Right.
So I think you should stay tuned.
So today is another one of our showdowns.
Yeah.
I
love showdown.
Yeah, because she feel like she can taste everything and she know everything. But today we're having an ice cream showdown.
Yes, ice cream showdown.
Yo, we love ice cream.
Yes, we love ice cream, especially on a Sunday.
Yeah, man.
After dinner, ice cream.
We get the ice cream. You can buy ice cream anytime. But today we are going to show down 3 ice cream that is locally made and manufactured. So we have the Devon House ice cream. Mm-hmm. We have Crazy Jim and Kremi. Yeah. Right. So
I'm super excited. Can you tell?
Right, Devon House is one of the main favorites. I think everybody loves Devon House, but there are other ice creams out there that you can try. So we'll see if Devon know the difference.
We'll be doing another blind taste test. A lot of you guys have been requesting us to do blind taste tests. So you guys seem to enjoy it. So we're gonna continue doing our blind taste test. So today will be our blind taste test for ice cream, which I'm excited about. So the last time Sean was blindfolded. So this time I will be blindfolded and I'll be trying to guess.
We'll see if she
which ice cream.
She know ice cream. She know real ice cream. Alright, so we want to big up Samantha for giving us this idea.
Yes, big up yourself, Sam.
Yeah, big up Samantha for real. So if you want to see Devon blindfolded and sampling this ice cream, you must
stay tuned. We'll see you soon.
Yes. So welcome back. We have the ice cream laid out here. Alright, so we're not going to call out until we finish do the tasting. So, Miss Devon, Devi, I should say, are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, so where you want to try first? The middle, left or right?
Middle.
Middle.
Yeah.
Right, let's go with the middle. Alright.
I know what it is.
You smell it or something? Vanilla ice cream, by the way, so we can, she go let's see if she know what's going on right. So what do you think?
Wait, can you get more? Alright, I'll remember this one. I don't want to tell you what it is yet. Can I wait before I tell you?
Sure, wash out your mouth. Here, show the water. Alright.
Cleansing my palate.
So left or right?
Left.
Left. Alright, let's go with this one.
I want to taste really nice.
Yeah?
I want to taste really rich.
Okay. So you know what I want then?
I don't know. Right. I want to taste the third one. The first one was kind of fresh-ish. The second one tastes really rich. Let's see what the third one is gonna taste like.
Alright.
I'm just really enjoying eating ice cream. Really, that's really what I'm doing right now.
Alright, come. Wait, wash out your mouth first. So let me see the taste. Wash out your mouth. Alright.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Can I taste that one again? Alright. I think I'm ready to guess now.
Alright.
Can I tell you which one is my favorite though?
No, you have to wait till afterwards.
Alright, fine.
Alright, so the first one.
The first one I think was Crazy Jim.
Okay. The second one.
The second one I think was Devon House.
And the third one.
Third one I think was Kremi.
Alright, cool. Let's untie the blindfold. Glasses.
I feel like I got it right.
Alright, so this is the middle. This is the middle one. So this is the first one, which is Crazy Jim. So she did get that one right. The second one, which is in this container right here, is from Devon House. She did get that one right.
Yeah, I tell you, it tastes.
Third one is Kremi. She did get that one right. So she knows her ice cream.
Yeah. All of them were pretty good though.
Yeah, club. She win this round.
Yes, I won again. Definitely two Shanghai.
Okay. Right.
But yeah, like I knew, like the second one was like, yeah man, that one tastes rich. All of them taste good enough, but the second one just rich on a different level. So I was like, I feel like that one is Devon House. So I never want to just say Devon House. I didn't want to try all of them and then decide like, oh yeah, I know what is what and what and whatever. But yeah, all of them are pretty nice. Kremi is made in Jamaica, right?
Yeah, it is made in Jamaica. It's manufactured.
And I really love their
Jamaican
packaging.
product.
I must say, I love their packaging. They're recently, a couple years ago, they rebranded.
Right.
And I think their packaging is really fun and colorful. So if I was a kid, I'd be like, yes, mommy, I want this one because it's so, colorful. It really appeals to your visual senses.
By Jamaica, support Jamaica.
Yes, and then Crazy Jim, everybody know about Crazy Jim from a long time. The standard packaging, the packaging is pretty alright, colorful as well. And of course Devon House, we usually get it in a cone, but today, we got it in a container because, we weren't there at Devon House actually sitting and eating any ice cream. But yeah, it was overall, all of them are
manufactured in Jamaica, so made in Jamaica, Jamaican products.
Yeah.
Right.
And all of them were pretty good. But I must say my favorite one is
Devon House.
Devon House.
Yeah, so I'll go on, I forget to taste the things, so I'll go on.
Come and see.
No, I'm good.
Whatever. You can go on like him a big man.
So the Crazy Jim, light. You can just taste that from.
Yeah, it is light.
Very light. Yeah. Light but good. Devon House. Take a nice chunk, isn't it?
Extra.
Yeah, I should say you can taste the rich flavor in it. So definitely. And you can see, we'll show clips of the different texture of the ice cream so you see for yourself. So Devon House is definitely rich. Tastes good as well. Always. We respond Devon House ice cream. Kremi.
Kremi is creamy though, like the consistency is very creamy, I would say.
It has a light texture to it as well. It's not so thick like the Devon House. It on the Crazy Jim has this light texture to it. It just smooth, it just go down really quick. You don't have to, but Devon House is definitely rich and creamy. And
which one is your favorite?
Devon House.
I'm sure most people would say Devon House is their favorite.
Right, so tell us what is your favorite ice cream as
definitely
well.
Let us know. And if there's any ice cream that's not here that's your favorite, definitely leave that in the comments below. And of course, remember to keep giving us suggestions of what you'd like to see us do next, the showdowns that you'd like us to see, the challenges, the places that you'd like us to go.
Yes.
And so we're wrapping up now. So
yes, we are wrapping up Icecream Showdown. Devon won this one. She knows her ice cream. She knows the different brands. So big up to Devon for our palate good. Again, we have to big up Samantha for this idea.
Yes,
it's really good to know about ice cream showdown because Jamaicans do consume a lot of ice cream, especially on a Sunday evening.
Definitely.
So it's a nice treat for the kids and the entire family at large.
So big up yourself, guys. We'll see you in our next episode. Remember to check out our other showdowns. They will be linked in this video. Also, our previous videos will be linked in the video.
Right.
So remember to subscribe. Remember to share, to like, to comment. And we will see you in our next video.
Follow us on Instagram as well.
Follow us on Instagram.
At YaadMentz.
YaadMentz. Big up on yourself. See you later.
Season 2. Bye.